Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a renowned land surveying company based in Panaji, Goa. With their team of highly skilled and experienced land surveyors, they offer top-notch surveying services to clients in Panaji and its surrounding areas. As a trusted and reliable provider of land surveying solutions, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has earned a strong reputation for delivering accurate and precise results. When it comes to land surveying in Panaji, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice for many individuals, businesses, and government agencies. Their team of land surveyors possesses extensive knowledge and expertise in the field, ensuring that all surveys are conducted with utmost professionalism and accuracy. Whether it is for residential or commercial purposes, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd can handle any land surveying project with efficiency and precision. One of the key services offered by Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is boundary surveying. This involves determining the exact boundaries of a piece of land, ensuring that there are no encroachments or disputes. With their advanced surveying equipment and techniques, their land surveyors can accurately identify property lines, corners, and other important features. This information is crucial for property owners, developers, and real estate professionals to make informed decisions about their land. Apart from boundary surveying, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd also offers topographic surveying services in Panaji. This involves mapping the surface features of a piece of land, including its natural and man-made elements. By utilizing advanced technology such as GPS and laser scanning, their surveyors can create detailed and accurate topographic maps. These maps provide valuable information about the elevation, contours, vegetation, structures, and other features of the land, which is essential for various engineering and construction projects. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering timely and cost-effective solutions to their clients. They strive to complete all land surveying projects within the agreed-upon timelines while maintaining high standards of quality. Their team of professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring client satisfaction. In conclusion, if you are in need of a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Panaji, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is the ideal choice. With their expertise in boundary surveying, topographic surveying, and other land surveying services,